Cucumber is quite perfect for munching, right? I like cucumber. If you ferment cucumber or any kind of vegetables, it actually enhances the vegetable taste. So basically, I'm talking about pickling. There are two ways to do pickling. One is you can put the vegetables or the cucumber in vinegar and then you keep for a few days and the vinegar will make the pickles, the cucumber taste a bit sour. That's the one way. The other way is you can ferment the cucumber or your favorite vegetables and you keep there for a few days. So basically it's called lacto fermentation, nothing to do with lacto or milk. Okay, when you're fermenting, the bacteria called lactobacillus can consume the natural sugar from the vegetables and then it will produce the lactic acid. The lactic acid will make your vegetables, whatever you are making, will make it sour and it will also enhance the taste. So the best way to make your food tasty is to ferment them. So I'm thinking to show you today how to make sour cucumber or cucumber pickles.
Let's go.
You should buy the organic cucumber, soak them under water for 5 minutes, some garlic and chilies so that the cucumber will be a little bit spicy and a little bit garlic flavored. Going to add some herbs, the curry leaves and Mexican mint or Indian borage. Going to use some cloves, some mustard seeds. I will need approximately 600 ml water. So basically with water and cucumber, the overall weight will be around 1 kilo, 1.1 kilo. And I'm going to add 3% salt. So 1 spoon, 2 spoons. I'm using Himalayan salt. You can use sea salt. Make sure to cut the bottom and this side. They are not good for your fermentation. You can cut the cucumber as per your desired shape. I'm going to make them 4 slices. I have this jar. Taking little bit of vinegar. I'm using on my hand. And now also using little bit on the mouth of the jar. Make sure everything is under the brine. And nothing floating on top because the lacto fermentation is always anaerobic. Now I have this cabbage leaf and I'm going to put inside. I have this candle holder which is pure glass material and you can use the fermentation weight, but I think this is also fine. You don't need to spend a lot of monies behind all the equipments. You can use whatever you have in your home. You can use any other heavy item which is glass material. So I'm going to put this inside. I have one more and then I'm also going to put this inside so that there will be no chances of the vegetables floating up. Now I'm going to put this paper towel so that no flies or insects will go in. And with the rubber band. And then I will try to close the lid. Don't close it too tight. You can just leave it like this. Let me show you after 5 days what happened to my cucumbers. Now I'm going to open. You can see the vegetables color already changed. And my fermentation is almost over. If I keep longer, then it will be sour. I don't want to keep for longer so that my cucumber will be not very soft and it will be still crunchy. The brine is very cloudy because the fermentation was very fast. You have seen how to prepare the cucumber pickles. You should make at home and let me know how it was. तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like my video, comment below, press the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button. I see you again on my next video. Bye. तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ.